Welcome to our continuing series on using the online resources available through your school media center. Today I'm going to demonstrate performing a basic search with the Gale online resources. As usual, we're going to start at the district webpage, www.pcsb.org. Click on the Students tab. Come over to Resources and then down to Library Media Resources. And then click on the Gale Online Resources. Find your school, St. Pete High School. And these are all of the databases that you have available to you. There are 48 databases here covering all types of subjects: criminal justice, world history, health. We're going to talk about Academic OneFile today because it's a good place to start. It's an academic database with thousands of full-text articles that you can use in your research. So I'm going to click on Academic OneFile, and we're going to do a basic search. Here's our basic search bar, and I'm just going to type in coral bleaching. That's the topic that interests me. Hit enter. And as you can see, I have a return of 1,067 academic journal articles on coral bleaching. If I look over here, I have 297 magazine articles, book articles, news articles. And there's several ways that I can limit my search. 1,000 articles, that's way too many to go through. So if I look here, I can sort by relevance or from newest to oldest. I can choose peer-reviewed journals. I can look at only this past month articles, document types. If I click on the plus sign, I have several choices here. I could choose a cover story. So right now I'm going to search for just this past year, try to get some up-to-date information. And then one other thing I can do, I can actually search within my results. Just looking at the results from a year, I have 65 academic journal articles. But I want to narrow this down to what's happening in Australia. I've heard some news about the Great Barrier Reef and coral bleaching going on there. So within my results, I'm just going to search for Australia. And now I'm left with 39 articles. So let's take a look at one of these articles. This one, for example, it gives me the title of the article, the authors, the date of the article, the publication. And I want you to notice that I can click on Download PDF. And the nice thing about the PDFs is I can take a look at this article exactly as it appears in the journal. If there's graphics or pictures, I will get all of that here. This looks exactly as it would in the journal. Now, if I click on the title itself, I have some other options. I still have the full text article, minus any graphics or pictures. And I have some tools here that I can use. I could email this article to myself. I could, of course, print it out. I could save it to a thumb drive. I could also download as an MP3 if I wanted to create audio files to listen to at a later time. Another thing that I want to point out is the citation tools. If I click on that, I will get my citation for this particular article. I can select it, right click and copy, and actually paste this into a Word document to begin my bibliography. Now you do have to be very careful about the Gale database citation tools. They're not 100%. You can see here you might have a little bit of manipulation you would have to do to have a correct citation, but it's not a bad place to start. I can click on search results to get back to my results. And another thing I can do is looking through these articles, I can save a few of these, ones that look very pertinent to my research. This one looks good. This one looks good. So I'll save a few of these articles that I'm really interested in. And then if I come back to the top, click on More, and choose my folder, I notice that all of my articles are there. And I've got them in one place where I can go back and reference them again and print them out. So that is a basic search in Gale databases. I appreciate your time. Thank you.